Hello from Mandeville, Louisiana. My name is Mo Roberts, and I'm the creator of Mo Roberts on Drums, aka subbing on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. And I'm a sub drummer for a really good cover band that takes a lot of requests, hopefully, and usually paid requests, and has a really extensive songbook and some great players. And the drummers that I sub for are really good. But I'm not the regular guy, and I don't know the book. And I don't know all the requests. So sometimes I end up playing things I don't know. Usually I've heard of them. A lot of times I'm familiar with them, but I've never played them. So I usually videotape gigs, mostly audio tape them to hear the groove and the pocket and the timing and, you know, how bad it's rushing or how bad it's dragging or whether I'm playing musical fills. But videotaping is a little trickier. I don't like setting up a camera, but I happen to have a good place for the phone on this gig. So I started bringing the phone down and videotaping, and I look at my hands and I make sure I'm relaxed and the posture and, you know, stuff that drummers should be kind of paying attention to. Hopefully you don't have to, but, you know, I'm a kind of fussy guy, so I pay attention to it. And so some friends of mine said, man, you should do a little video intro describing what's going on with the song and your history with it. Because I had been doing typing a little couple of notes on like the dozen videos that I've posted. And so here we go. I'm going to do a little video intro from now on for some of the songs that we do. And the first one today is Grand Funk Railroad, We're an American Band, which has, you'll find out, I call it iconic on the video. I botched the intro and go back and do it again. But in 7th grade in Carbondale, Illinois, we had a little pet band that played before the basketball games. And if you could play this intro, and also if you could play the intro to Hawaii 5-0, which was, I believe, John Guerin on drums. And he's so good, man. It's unbelievable how good that guy is. And I never saw him live, LA, West Coast guy. But if you're not familiar, it may not be up your alley. But man, he's such a great musician and drummer. This stuff on Joni Mitchell it's so good. Anyway, so we're going to start this with Don Brewer and Mark Farner of We're an American Band, Grand Funk Railroad, We're an American Band. I mean, look, it's a classic for a great reason. My friend John Groh, who's a monster musician and piano and organ player, said, man, dude, quarter notes on the cowbell, you can't lose. If you're in the pocket with quarter notes on the cowbell, yeah, it's a wrap, bro. So there we go. Thanks for watching. There'll be some more stuff coming, but we're going to start with this, and I appreciate it. All right, take it easy. Bye.
It's like a day without sunshine.
What day is that? Now answer the question.
I saw it. Good job.
A fucking cockroach fell in my beard.
American Band.
Wow. Okay.
Go ahead there, buddy.
All right.
I
Shit.
had the album. That's the only reason I'm singing this song. I
God
remember
damn,
the
bro.
words.
No. Gotta do it again. Take two. Take two. It's iconic. It's iconic. I gotta get it right.
Because we're not leaving or throwing shit.